Welcome to PD Phil Am Entertainment. In Diane's kitchen today, we will learn how to cook Pinakbet. Pinakbet is a Philippine dish from the northern region of the Philippines. Pinakbet is steamed in fish sauce or shrimp paste. I'm using olive oil. You could use any type of oil you prefer, vegetable oil or anything that suits your taste. Garlic. I want to get it to be a little brown. Next I'll add some onion. Pork belly. Tomato. Fish sauce. Water. Almost forgot the ginger. Now we need to layer everything. Eggplant. Taro Root. String beans. Okra. Squash. Wing beans. Bitter melon. Green onions. Now it's the fun part after putting the layers together. It's time to shake them. Check it out. It is time.
Let's try his. It's hot.
Really? Oh man.
Can you hold that one for me?
Here. Here, hold on.
Let's try his Pinakbet.
Ooh, it is hot.
I'll do it. I do it.
Here, I'll hold this.
Where's the meat?
It's buried in there.
Oops.
Okay. I'm gonna get myself some.
String beans. Sarap. Masarap siya, malambot yung karne. Yung ang palaya. It's not bitter at all. It's good.
Oh wow, I thought it would be bitter.
Bitter. So what's the Ilocano of ampalaya? What's the Ilocano of bitter melon?
Oh man, I forgot.
Parya.
Paya?
Parya.
Parya. My clothes.
And
Y'all need to try this. This is good.
this is a Ilocano recipe. I was born and raised in the province of Cagayan, so I'm a pure Ilocano. And that's it. That's all about it. Bye-bye.
Bye.